We fixed another bug. So now the eraser will work if we try to erase different rotated tiles. So there's multiple 0 tiles we can have, and now the eraser works no matter what transformation of 0 we have. So we can, with all these different manipulations we can do to the auto tiles, we can have different 0 tiles that are rotated by different increments of 90 degrees, mirrored, auto latching can be changed. And we just fixed a little bug with the eraser, so now the eraser works properly for all those transformations. It's kind of like in code where you can have like a -0. That's kind of what happened. And in shader source fragment number 7, which is this shader right here, this is the shader in which we made the bug fix. So if we scroll down here in shader number 7, we'll find one line of code that we had to change. So right here, we had to take the binary tile and mask it with a bit mask where we have only the section of memory that is used to store the tile value. So we have one nibble here in the most significant nibble index for the red byte that tells us which tile value we have. Which tile value we have. We have 16 total tile values, 0 to 15 inclusively. We need to mask this first because the bits over here, some of these bits are used for rotation, right? So we can have rotation flag set, but have the 0 tile here, and that will lead to this being non-zero, and then our shader thinks we have a tile when we don't have a tile. So we fix that right here, and this is just to make sure that I wrote this number up here correctly, right? This is just a little check here. So that's all we did. All we did is these 2 lines of code here, and one of them is a comment. Here's what we did previously, here's our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here to this playlist. You are on the short playlist. You can go to the technical demos playlist here as well. Source code here, email me here. I'm Kanji Coder. Like and subscribe.